Hey, good morning there, YouTube. Today we're kayaking the west end of Pueblo Reservoir. So one point worth making here at the Pueblo Reservoir west end, this buoy behind me says slow, no wake. West of that, there's maybe a mile or two of water, and when the lake gets busy, being in the no wake zone is nice for kayaking. So here we go. Hidden Cove. Let's go check it out. So one thing I like about the west end of the Pueblo Reservoir are these creeks that I just went up. There's a lot of coves that you can go in and explore, and then the creeks feed them. And when the water's high, you can get farther up these creeks, but a lot of stuff to see on the west end. So I found another cove. I don't know if you can see, there's a boat fishing. Little creek I was going to explore, but that guy's totally blocking it. So paddled all the way down here for this cove, and somebody's blocking it. That's always disappointing, but a lot of fishing boats out today, and in the summer you're going to run into people blocking you like this. So I'll just keep on going down the lake. No big deal. Hey guys, so I beached the kayak, and I just paddled up this creek, beautiful creek there behind me, you can see. But my style of kayaking, I do like to do a lot of exploring. So my Perception Prodigy 12 has that big cockpit. It's easy to get in and out of. And out here at the Pueblo Reservoir, there's a lot of hiking trails. So I'll get out and walk up some of these cliffs and take a look around. But it's just beautiful, beautiful scenery out here. So that's my style. I like to do shore exploring and some kayaking, get out, stretch my legs. So one point I would make, kayaking the west end of the reservoir is a totally different experience. If you watch my video, Memorial Day weekend, there's a lot of boats, jet skis, just a lot of activity. Closer to the dam and the marinas, you get down here on the west end, it's a lot more solitude. This is what I really like, these coves back in here. And I just enjoy the west end coves and creeks. This is a type of kayaking I like to do. One point I'll make, this point up here, there's a hiking trail we like to go up, and for some reason there's a elevation marker up there, and I don't know why, but it's an interesting trail to go look at. I'll throw in a picture of it. So there was the west end of Pueblo Reservoir. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like, subscribe, and we've got some videos coming up. I think the next one will be Lake Dillon, so you don't want to miss that one. And thanks for watching.